So the key to the AeroPress is fresh ground coffee. Ty did a great job of grinding up some of our whole Kicking Horse coffee blend. So the first step you want to do is you want to rinse that filter. You don't want any papery taste. It also does well to heat up the mug. Heat up the mug that you're using. So quick little rinse of that filter and you're ready to go. It is important that you do get rid of that water. Mother Nature likes water. So add the coffee, fresh ground coffee like I said before. Make sure you get all of that life juice. And you're going to want to add the water. So I like to add the water in a swirling motion to keep it from moving up the sides. So I usually add about up to the 4. Get out your stir stick. Some of that coffee is going to be stuck to that filter, so you want to get down and you want to give it a quick stir. This is where the vacuum seal comes in to the equation. So you're going to pop this on top, push down, pull up, and you have created your seal. We're going to let it steep for about 2 minutes here. And we've got ourselves a fresh cup of joe. In that time you can get out your oatmeal and cook your oats. Part of the video was like, spit up. Alright, we're good to go. Just a little bit. Those chia seeds are blue. Yeah. Well, there you go. Alright, so it's been about 2 minutes here. The oats are ready. Just going to let them sit. But now you want to put even pressure down on the AeroPress. And your press, you want it to last about 30 seconds. Maybe listening for a nice little hiss once you get down to the bottom. And you're going to stop just at that point. After that, you've got yourself a nice little